Hey, good afternoon, everybody. A quick update from Madison County, Nebraska, where a supercell thunderstorm is just south of this location. Today's been one of those days where the setup hasn't been amazing, but we kind of knew if we could get one or two isolated thunderstorms going this afternoon, then they could be severe, with the primary concerns being wind, along with some hail and perhaps an isolated tornado. With this thunderstorm, winds to 70 miles per hour or greater are possible. This area has also seen quite a bit of wildfire activity throughout the day today, so the winds combined with the smoke is creating near zero visibility. So as this thunderstorm's tracking north and east, it's running into an increasingly favorable environment for development. It's something we'll be keeping an eye on, but anybody in the path of this storm definitely should hunker down with those winds 60 to 70 miles per hour. It is going to create a very dangerous situation. Here's a look at the storm as it's rolling in now. There's a strong storm system to our west. That storm system is picking up winds out of the south, gusting 30 to near 40 miles per hour. Unfortunately, the fuel here is extremely dry due to ongoing drought conditions, and those two things have led to a wildfire that has developed very near or just close to Beamer. And the fire, unfortunately, does not look like it's under control at this time. You have to figure, with the strong winds gusting 40 to 45 miles per hour, limited resources, it's going to be hard to try to contain this thing. It's now moving probably east-northeast.